Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the extend command in AutoCAD. Before you extend, you should know where's the boundary. For instance, you want to extend this line up to this boundary, so definitely we can extend. This line, you can extend up to this boundary. There is a line and there is a boundary. This arc, there are two boundaries here. You can extend this arc up to here. Then afterward, you can extend this arc up to here. Okay, let's try this one. The shortcut for extend command is EX. So just type EX, enter. And then you select first this line. So automatically extended up to this boundary. Click. Okay. Say this arc you want to extend here. EX, press enter. And then you see, it automatically touches the boundary. Just click and then enter. How about this line? This line can be extended up to this circle circumference. EX again, enter. Then select this line up to that boundary. Enter. This one, if you want to extend up to here, type EX, enter. Then you see, this can be extended up to this boundary. Click, enter. That's how helpful extend command is. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.